Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Dead by Daylight game black screen issue, stuck on black screen problem or white screen issue on PC. So here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart your PC. So just restart your PC and then check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to modify the game launch options. So you can try -DX11, -D3D11 or -DX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Dead by Daylight and then select properties, and in the launch options type -DX11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to properties. Now in the launch option type -D3D11 and then close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to properties and this time type -DX12, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3, clear Steam download cache. So open Steam, click on this Steam word, go to settings, go to downloads tab, scroll down and next to clear download cache, click on clear cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log in to Steam again. Do you wish to continue? If you wish to continue, then click on confirm and then relaunch the Steam and then relaunch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Dead by Daylight and then select properties and go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to run the game from the game installation folder or run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Dead by Daylight, select manage and then click on browse local files. Now it will take you to the game installation folder. Now double click this Dead by Daylight exe file and then try to launch the game and check if that fixes the issue or not. If not, then open the Dead by Daylight folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, and here you will see Dead by Daylight Win64 shipping exe file. Double click it to launch the game and check if that works or not. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab, check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then tick mark run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then from drop down here select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization option, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open Dead by Daylight folder. Select this Dead by Daylight exe file and then click open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, open Dead by Daylight folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select this Dead by Daylight Win64 shipping exe file, then click open. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app and click on browse and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open Dead by Daylight folder. Select this Dead by Daylight exe file, click open and then click on add. Now in my case it is already added. Again click on browse, open the Dead by Daylight folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, and then select Dead by Daylight Win64 shipping exe file and then click open and then click on add. Now after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark and then click OK to save changes and then go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, ABG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESTT, then allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program. Fix 7 is to run the easy anti-cheat EOS setup file. So again, open Steam, go to library, right click on Dead by Daylight and then select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now open this easy anti-cheat folder and then double click this easy anti-cheat EOS setup file to run it. And then go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to perform clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to this AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and then reinstall it. And then you can launch the game and check. So for example, I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, scroll down. Here enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select Windows operating system and then click on find. Then you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready drivers. So whatever is the latest version, while making the video, the latest version is 591.86. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option and then hit on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you are on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Now again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the Dead by Daylight game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 10 is to disable overlays. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Dead by Daylight, select properties and then enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just disable it and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. Launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner. Click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app. Now go to the game installation folder, open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open Dead by Daylight folder, again open Dead by Daylight folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, and then select Dead by Daylight Win64 shipping exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it. Here it is, expand it, and then next to GPU preference, select high performance, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to delete Dead by Daylight saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the saved game progress and saved settings. So please keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to do it. Open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view, so and check mark hidden items. Then open the app data folder, open local folder, and here look for the Dead by Daylight folder. Here it is. Right click on it and then select copy. Go to desktop and paste it. And after keeping the backup of this folder, right click on it and then select delete to delete it. Now go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 13. Close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. fix 14 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, on the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 15 is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Dead by Daylight game from your PC, restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive and then relaunch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last option is to factory reset your PC. And please take a note, you must back up the important data of your PC before performing this action. So after factory resetting your PC, you can then launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Dead by Daylight game, white screen issue, black screen issue, or stuck on black screen problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.